Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to copy and paste table from ChatGPT to Google Sheets. All right, so let's begin with the video. So here we can see an empty spreadsheet on Google Sheets. I'm going to head over to ChatGPT and I'm going to give the prompt. Generate a table that has the highest rated vacation cities in the United States, the average cost to take a vacation there for a week, and what state the city is in. If I go ahead and ask ChatGPT to generate this for me, we can see that it generated this table for us. So it's a table with city, state, and average weekly cost. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to turn this table into a CSV file. It will convert this into code format, but below it says that I can also generate and send you the CSV file for download. Let me know if you'd like that. So simply ask ChatGPT to do this. It's going to take a couple of seconds, maybe a minute, to analyze the table and turn it into a CSV file for us. Here it says, here's the CSV file with table data. Download the CSV file. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and it's going to download it to our Downloads folder. Now we want to come back to our Google Sheet and go to where it says File and then Import. From here, we want to go to where it says Upload, and then we want to click on where it says Browse. Then you want to locate where you downloaded that CSV file, select it, and click on where it says Open. We're going to leave these settings alone and then click on where it says Import Data. Now we can see that the exact table we had generated from ChatGPT is now inside our spreadsheet. So that's basically how you can copy and paste table from ChatGPT to Google Sheets. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.